after a bit of riding, your visor sometimes gets a bit dirty. So what does that mean? We've got to clean it up a little bit. So that's what we're doing today. Now to do this, we better go home. Might be a bit easier. A little bit of a clean, and then we might put a little bit of a product on to make sure we don't get any fog, because it is starting to get colder here. And I do want to be able to see, especially in the morning when it's pretty cold. Just breathing fogs up the whole windshield, so hopefully I can fix it by using this product. I'll see you back inside. Alright, here we are, the conference of my own home. This will be the quickest video I've ever made. Alright, so all we're going to do is clean this. Most helmets have a way of unhinging the visor, and so does mine, just like that. Does that look dirty? Okay, so in my case I'm just going to use good old baby wipes. Now you can just use water or something else that is not abrasive, so you don't scratch it. So give it a real good clean, and I'm going to apply some anti-fogging products, which is cat crap, and that should keep the fog away. So when you're out and about and it's really cold, you can still breathe without fogging up your visor. Because as most of you know, it's a real pain having to, open up slightly just to get the wind through, because obviously it gets freezing cold, and then you get it cold, you sneeze, poof, and then obviously you get your visor wet again. So that's not what we want. In my case, I'm just going to use a t-shirt to dry it off, and also to apply the products. My father-in-law actually gave the cat crap to me. He was saying it's quite helpful for him, so he gave one for me. So all you gotta do is use your finger, grab a bit, and put it on your visor. Now you can just spread it out a bit with your finger as such. I don't really know how much to use exactly. This is what it looks like, and the instructions are just on the back, so you can never lose them, which is always good. And then the instructions, it says to buff it out with something cotton. So in my case I'm just using a t-shirt. So the instructions just say just buff it out until there's no streaks left, and then you're good to go. Alright, I think that's pretty good, and that's pretty much all it is. Back on the helmet, and there you have it, good as new. So how do you clean your helmet? Do you have any tips and tricks how to clean your helmet? Thank you for joining me on my journey. And as always, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little short video, and I hope to see you next time. Hopefully in 2 weeks, a normal vlog. Not sure what yet, but we'll find out soon. Hope to see you then.